everyone, how are you? Nice to meet you again. I send you a big kiss. I hope everything is okay at home. Espero que todo esté muy bien en casa, yes? And I send you a big kiss to all the children and their families, okay? A todos los nenes y a todos los chicos. Okay, so today we are going to revise the parts of the body, okay? We have already seen this the previous class on Zoom. Sí, ya vimos esto la clase anterior en Zoom. Yes, but today we are going to revise it anyway. Lo vamos a repasar de todas maneras for you to remember, okay? Para que ustedes lo recuerden mucho mejor, okay? So, do you remember the parts of our body? Yes, ¿se acuerdan las parts of our body? Yes. Ears, eyes, nose, mouth. Those are easy, okay? Esas son fáciles. But we still don't know how to say the parts of the body in animals. ¿Cómo decir las partes del cuerpo de los animals? Yes? So, today we are going to learn them. Yes? Okay, so, what's this? This is a tail. Very good, a tail. And what animals have got a tail? We have a lot. For example, dog, cat, kangaroo, ¿qué más? Fish, okay, very good. Seal, whale, dolphin, bear. A ver, ¿alguno más se acuerdan? Lion, tiger, cheetah, very good, excellent. We have seen those animals, okay? Ya hemos visto esos animals, así que deben saber que most of animals have got a tail. Bien, la mayoría de los animales tienen una tail. Okay, very good. And then we have, what's this? Stripes. How is it? Stripes. Very good, excellent. And here we have a zebra, which has got black and white stripes. ¿Sí? Tiene rayas black and white. Okay, very good. Do you know other animal which has got stripes? Yes, ¿conocen algún otro? And another animal that has stripes on its body, que tiene rayas en su cuerpo, is the tiger. Okay, very good. So, tigers and zebras have got stripes. Okay, stripes on its body. Tiene las rayas en su cuerpo. Okay, very good. Let's continue. Then we have spots. Yes, spots. How is it? Spots. Excellent. And what animals have got spots on their body? ¿Cuáles tienen? Giraffe, for example. Yes, these spots are from the giraffe. ¿Sí? Son de la giraffe. Then we have cheetahs. Okay, very good. The difference between cheetahs and tigers are that cheetahs have got spots, okay? Tienen manchas. And tigers have got stripes, okay? Excellent. So that's the difference between tigers and cheetahs. Okay, excellent. Do you know other animal which has got spots on its body? ¿Conocen alguno que tenga spots? Very good. We know two more animals which have spots on their body. ¿Sí? Que tienen spots. The jaguar, okay, el jaguar, and the leopard, el leopardo, okay? Have you seen any of these animals? ¿Alguna vez vieron? I've seen a giraffe and a tiger, yes? But I have never seen a jaguar or a leopard, okay? Because they don't live at the zoo, ¿sí? No viven en el zoo. They live in the grasslands, okay? Viven en la selva, okay? Very good, excellent. Let's continue. Vamos a continuar, yes? And then we have ears, okay? Ears. Ears are very common in animals, okay? Yes? Son muy comunes. What animals have ears? Yes? Most of animals, yes? For example, bears. Then we have kangaroos, yes? Lions. Tigers, foxes, yes, los zorros, acuérdense, yes. And we have elephants, gorillas, rhinos, okay. Most of animals have ears, ¿sí? La mayoría de los animales tiene ears. These ears are from a rabbit, ¿sí? Son de un rabbit. Excellent. And then we have claws, okay? Garras, yes? Claws, okay? What animals have got claws, yes? For example, bears, lions, tigers, rhinos, hippos, cats, okay? All of them have got claws, ¿sí? Son muy filosas las claws. And they can hurt you. Te pueden lastimar, okay? Very good. Sometimes cats play with us and they hurt our hands, okay? A veces jugamos con nuestros cats y nos lastiman las hands because they scratch us, okay? Nos pueden rajuñar con las claws. Very, very good. Excellent. Okay, and then we continue. Here we have the body, okay? A body. Yes, el cuerpo, okay? Some animals have small bodies, tienen cuerpos pequeños, and some animals have got long bodies, okay? Tienen largos cuerpos. For example, crocodiles have got a long body, okay? And, for example, a monkey has got a small, okay? A small body. ¿Sí? Tiene un cuerpo pequeño. Yes? Very, very good. Excellent. Okay. And the last one, yes. Here we have fins, okay? Que son las aletas, okay? Fins. What animals have got fins? We have fish, whales, yes? Then we have dolphins, sharks, los tiburones, seals, okay? And lots of animals which live in the sea, ¿sí? Que viven en el sea. Then penguins, okay? Penguins have fins, okay? Tienen aletas, okay? No tienen alas because they can't fly, okay? No pueden volar. Yes, and they can swim, okay? Animals which have fins can swim, ¿sí? Los animales que tienen fins pueden nadar, okay? Excellent, very good. Okay, and what is your favorite part of the body? See? You can say my favorite part of the body is fins, ears, claws, body, okay? Or, y si quieren agregar más de una, my favorite parts of the body are. Si tienen que agregar el are, si quieren poner más de two. ¿Sí? Are, claws and ears, okay? Lo pueden dejar en los comentarios de abajo, ¿sí? If you like the video, you can subscribe the channel. Si les gustó el video, se pueden suscribir. And of course, you can leave a comment below. Pueden dejar un comentario abajo, ya que quiero saber who you are, quiénes son, okay? For example, hello, me Sophie, I'm Joaco, I'm Emma, I'm Bianca, I'm Has, ¿sí? Todos. I'm Azul, I'm Abby, Tommy, yes, todos. Quiero que pongan quiénes son. Trini, okay? Así que bueno, espero que los 8 escriban comentarios abajo. I send you a big kiss. Les mando un beso enorme. See you next week. Bye bye.